2 regular hot chocolate.
Good morning. Well, good afternoon. It's already 1 o'clock, I believe. Yeah, I went to bed very late last night and I woke up around 11:30, I think, which is really bad because I've got quite a lot of work to do today for uni. Yesterday was me and my boyfriend's 2 years anniversary, and our anniversary is on bonfire night, so we went to watch some fireworks and had some food, and it was very lovely. So I had so much fun. But today I'm going to work really hard and get all of my uni work done. I'm going to make something to eat now. I've got avocado and 1 egg, and I got some sourdough, I believe. So I'm going to make avocado on toast with egg. I need my daily dose of Stephanie Sue. Continue.
Jee galore, state-of-the-art design. And Darby misuse all of her. A Murder at the End of the World premieres November 14th, only on Hulu. Russell said that he was zoning out. He's like, the sound, and the sound was horrendous. It was Silas to stop, but he's also asking, like, what's your game? What's your game? Probably meaning, like, stop physically assaulting him was because Silas was out of shape, tripped skull, multiple broken bones. What I did, the authorities. Independent, they nod. They're like, we understand. Silas drags them out onto the deck under the hot sun.
The day before.
But they hung up and Penny knew. So Penny walked 2 miles home. They had been with each other for most of their lives. They're 24 capture.
So is he still filming him?
So there were the only reason truly it would still be a nerve-wracking experience being questioned by the police, right? Dealing with it. Vince and Russell recall another call on the boat.
Hello, I just finished eating. I'm going to start working now. I'm in my boyfriend's sister room to do my work because the tables in my boyfriend's room is fully cluttered because he has so much work to do as well, and the room is free because his sister moved out. So I'm going to do my work in here. The plan is to continue with AutoCAD. I'm going to learn about it as much as I can today and hopefully be able to finish my orthographic by today. Well, I would have to finish it by today because I need it for tomorrow class. But this is the model that I made the other day of the chair. The scale for this is 1 to 10, I believe. So I'm going to make the model based off of this. Hopefully it won't take me so long. made a square. That's crazy. The other day I can only make like a line, and that took me like an hour. So this is a very big achievement for me. This is what the CAD model looks like. I kind of get it now. It's not perfect, but you get the gist. I'm finally finished and it's already dark. It's only like 5 o'clock. So I'm actually devastated. I am not ready for the winter. I really hate when it gets dark early, and it's also will get bright later. So I get seasonal depression, so this is bad. But I'm done with my orthographic drawing on AutoCAD and I'm pretty happy with it. It didn't take me that long, so now I'm just going to be snacking on this. I don't actually know what it's called, but it's so good. It's basically like porridge, but sweet porridge. It come in many different flavor, but this one is my favorite. I think now I'm going to put everything in my InDesign portfolio and make some notes. Yeah. Today I'm in the studio from 10 to 3.
Like I gave him a gift, so that you know it's kind of like the equivalent.
As one piece.
I mean we're eventually gonna use it in class, but we're gonna make more.
Okay. Today it's like baby blue as well. Today I had a group presentation with one of the tutor and I got a lot of really helpful feedback from it. I lack a lot of details. I wasn't that prepared in the presentation. Most of the stuff that I showed my tutor was just sketches and ideas. It was basically just me brainstorming ideas. I didn't know that I had to add a bunch of research in there, so this evening I'm going to dedicate my time to just better my presentation. I already did most of it at uni before I left, so I don't actually have that much to do, but I'm going to do as much as I can. This project is the second project and it is the first group project we have got. And so far, it's not that great. We haven't got a chance to actually work as a group yet, but hopefully this week and next week we'll be able to work more as a group. At the moment, we're working individually. So I'm hoping that the teamwork will be built on a bit more. And I also feel like a lot of my teammates have a lot of good ideas and we have to decide on one. And I feel like that's really hard because everybody's idea is very interesting. So I'm not sure how we're going to be able to pick just one to go in, but we'll see. That is the plan for this evening. Tomorrow I have to go into uni. Normally on Wednesday I don't really go in because I find it a little bit pointless because the lecture is like 2 hours long and it just isn't worth it. So normally I just do my work at home, but I have got workshop induction that is mandatory, so I'm going to be going to uni tomorrow. Let's go.
That's not how it went. I'm trying to change it so I keep it as like. Vlogging.
Yep. Huh? Yeah, it was. And it was really raining as well.
Oh, really? Okay.
Hello. I'm done with my workshop induction now. I'm gonna go find a cute cafe near the station to do my work in. So that is the plan. There was nowhere to sit in that cafe, so I'm gonna go look for somewhere else. Hello, I just got home. I'm feeling so tired even though I did not do or accomplish much at all. But I need to rest and I'm going to take a bath, and then once I feel a bit more energized I'm going to look over my work. I'm not sure exactly what I'm supposed to be doing, but I'll have a look. Hello, it's the next day. It's already 3:30 and I'm literally just going to start working now. Last night I said that I was going to rest for a bit and then start working once I feel more energized, but I actually didn't end up working at all yesterday. It's because I felt so drained and then I think I got a fever at night. But I took some medicine and I really took my time in the morning and I got plenty of rest. So now I'm going to work as much as I can. However, I feel a little bit lost. I'm not quite sure on what I'm supposed to be doing right now. Normally we get like a brief on what's need to be done by this week and next week, but I find that the one for this week is a little bit confusing. I'm going to read over it again. To be honest, I'll just do bits of work here and there just so at least I have something. Tomorrow I'm going to be in the studio and I think we're going to start making a concept photo. So basically we have to pick a concept and all of us have our individual ideas of what we want the concept to be, but tomorrow we're going to finally pick one, and from that we basically have to make a concept photo, which is just basically like a collage. So to be honest, I don't think I have that much to do. I'm really conflicted whether or not I should just go back to laying on the bed. But at the same time, I want to use my time more wisely. So that's what I'm going to do. If I'm satisfied with the amount of work I've done, I'll go rest. I've tried working, but I just couldn't right now. So I'm going to procrastinate. Yep. I'll start working again in the afternoon. Hopefully. I'm at uni now. I'm gonna go get coffee. Today I'm in the studio again from 10 to 3. Hopefully I can be more productive today.
Because this is down to your perception of the first play and then walks on the second play. Also, energy part of the chair.
It's like there's room. Everyone was looking at me because it was that loud. I screamed that loud. There's a wall. You put that sauce around. I don't mind like this. It's more of a matcha. You're like, okay, maybe I can take.